Hi, greetings from Khalid. Welcome to my channel Fiverr Crest Tutorials. Today I will show you how can you order on Fiverr and get your work delivered. So in this video I will cover a complete process that starts from ordering on Fiverr and ends on getting your work delivered. Showing right away, stay tuned. Welcome back to the tutorial. From placing an order on Fiverr and until you get it delivered, there are some steps you need to follow. That is, log in to Fiverr, search your services or gigs using keywords, choose your specific gig to order, pay and submit order, submit your requirements, get your order delivered, and then approve your delivery. So let's dive into the complete step-by-step process ranging from ordering to delivery. Let me log in to Fiverr. Now, searching for the service I need. I am looking for YouTube video SEO service to implement on my YouTube videos. So all YouTube video SEO relevant gigs appear on the page. I can filter these gigs by category, seller details, budget, etc. also. Same way, you can choose a perfect gig for you to order. So let me check this gig, see details. Check all packages like basic, standard and premium with details and pricing. If you want conversation with the seller, press contact me. You can send message to the seller here. Even you can ask for a new offer from the seller, mentioning your brief requirements here. In that case, you need to request for a custom offer from the seller. We have another tutorial on how to ask custom offer order on Fiverr. If you need it, you can check the link below this video. Now I am to order standard pack only. So click on continue. Here it shows basic pack details. So go through and ensure all your requirements. Click on continue. It will open payment page. Here, place your PayPal, credit card or relevant pay medium details. I am placing my credit card details. Click on Pay and Subscribe. If the payment is successful, it shows the message, "Thank you for your purchase." A receipt was sent to your email address also. So my payment is successful. Now I can place my detailed requirements asked by the seller to start the work. So click on Start Order. My order is now in progress. Once buyer finishes the delivery, buyer can upload or send the deliverables here. And after login, you can check your order status here. Click on Order, click on your specific order. Once delivery is submitted by seller, it appears here. You can approve this delivery here. If you are not satisfied with the delivery yet, you can click on I am not ready yet. It says what revisions would you expect the seller to make. You can send revision request. Finally, click on Yes, I approve delivery. Here you can provide public feedback with rating and comments also on your service experience you have with the seller. So click on Send Feedback. Therefore, in this tutorial, I have covered a quick step-by-step process on how can you order on Fiverr and get your work delivered. We also have another tutorial on how to request or place a custom offer order on Fiverr. If you need it, you can check the link below this video. Hope that you enjoy the video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiverr Crest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.